Hey, good morning or good afternoon or evening from wherever you are joining us from today. Welcome. My name is Sarah Tibby. I'm an admissions counselor here at Grand Valley State University. But you probably don't want to hear me talk today. You probably want to hear our professors from School of Engineering. So we have Professor Mokhtar on as well. So he is going to lead the show today and talk to you about everything that you need to know for the School of Engineering. So Professor, I hand it over to you.
Great. My name is Wael Mukhtar. I'm the Director of School of Engineering, and I have been an engineer for, I would say, 26 years or so. So I'm going in this presentation talking to you about our grad program and kind of in the middle career advice, why you should consider Grand Valley and why you should consider a master's in engineering as a good step in your career. Grand Valley is located in Grand Rapids, Michigan, which is a very unique place. On the screen in front of you, here some of the unique places about Grand Rapids. For example, it was ranked number one as a mid-sized city for business in the whole country. It's ranked number two nationwide as a best place to live in. So the location of Grand Valley and Grand Rapids is very unique in many aspects, as a living place, as a business place, and so on. What else? In Grand Valley, we work very closely with industry. By the way, this is a nice image of the location you see next to the river and downtown. Very nice place. The location has huge amount of international companies. We work closely with industry. School of Engineering was founded by the local industries for engineering needs. So we interact every year with over 100 companies in one way or the other in projects and grad students, research, and other things. So we are very close to industry. Grand Valley is about 23,000 students. It's mid-sized university. It's not huge. It's not too small. However, we are teaching focused university. We teach our students as our most important part. For grad students, you get the combination between research, applied research, and a faculty 100% focusing on your success. Other places may have other interests and other focus, but students is our own focus. I'd like you to highlight that part of it. About 100% of our students find jobs. About 25% of our students participate in research. That's all students, not just grad students. And this is very unique for Grand Valley. Class size is over maybe 25. This is average data. This is not marketing. This is real data in the classroom. Average class is about 26 students. We work very closely with industry to do internships and co-ops. So for School of Engineering, all undergraduate students take co-ops for industry, and the majority of our graduate students complete at least one semester working in industry, real work that's related to your research. Sometimes it is your thesis, and that's a step toward your career. So it's not just a regular degree. You work with industry while you are a student, starting your resume from day one. Here are some examples of things that were reported about Grand Valley and the job market and how it's related. Now, in STEM education and engineering, we teach students to hit the ground running right away. In the very first or second class, or as a grad student, don't be surprised to see a company coming to visit your class, presenting a problem, asking you for advice, go a visit to the company. Maybe in a second semester, third semester, you may be working 40 hours for a company in internship. So we work closely with industry. We get this hands-on experience. Now let's talk about the job market in West Michigan, which is where we are located. There is about 11% growth in West Michigan businesses and jobs. About 7% here in Michigan in general. So this is West Michigan. So you will be coming from an area where there is a lot of job demand for engineers. And again, this is maybe one of the fastest growing places for engineering. What we offer engineering, we offer five programs, starting with biomedical engineering, electrical engineering, manufacturing operation, mechanical engineering, product design, and manufacturing. So the advantage as a grad student, we accept students with different areas of engineering background into your program. So for example, you could be an undergrad in computer engineering and get admitted in biomedical engineering or electrical engineering and vice versa. You can be a mechanical engineer that you get admitted to the production, product design, and so on. So we have a variety of doors that you can come from. If you want to stay in the same area, mechanical engineering, we also do that. So like my degrees, I have my first two degrees, PS and masters in mechanical engineering. So that's another area. All of our engineering programs will have this internship part, have core foundation, and we work with you. If you are a fresh graduate for undergrad, we have the program ready for you. If you finish your undergrad 5, 6, 10 years ago, and you'd like to go slowly a little bit and refresh your mind about math and other concepts that you did not use day to day in your job, we also have a program that geared toward professional or practicing engineering, so that to get you slow into the actual engineering program. So why Grand Valley again? 100% find jobs. We have an outstanding facility, over 100,000 square feet of real engineering equipment. Just to say, we have a nano scale lab. We have a set of 3D printing. We have a real industry grade shop. We have a very advanced EE labs, and you name it. We have tons of computer labs. So these are not just classrooms. These are real engineering equipment, equipped labs that you get you to work and get trained in the classroom with tools that you're going to use. Every year we spend maybe close to $70,000 or so on softwares. So state of the art softwares that you get training through and that will allow to add stuff to your program. One more item I'd like to comment about, which is recently we started the 1 year master's program. This is new. Typically, a student will finish the degree in 2 years, but this is new. If you are in a place who would like to finish your degree in 1 year, we can work with you. The program is already prepared. You'll be in and out in 1 year with a master's degree ready to go to the industry, including will give you a chance even to do some internship and projects. So some basic information about our program. This is the tuition, about 13,600. The expected housing, if you are on campus, and meals and other things. Financial support, we offer financial support for grad students, scholarships, and graduate assistantships, which is another thing. If you are here for a short time and you think about further graduate program for PhD or so, and you're interested to teach with us, or you want to work in industry again, teaching will open opportunity for you for training. So we get you to do a teaching assistantship with us, and that will get you to go and work. So requirement, this is basic requirement in terms of the application fees, transcript, language requirement, and so on. And you see that in the website here. So again, Grand Valley is very unique, and these are more of the other contact information by the end of this month. Please make sure if you're interested, fill in the applications so we can work with you in the admission process. So this is very much my quick overview. Let me say that in a few words as a fellow engineer working with you. I have been again an engineer for 25, 26 years, in education for maybe 3/4 of that time. And here is my real career advice. Graduate program is not like the undergrad program. Graduate program, you already decided your career and direction. Graduate program opens doors for you, allow you to have a different cap and ceiling to your career. Your undergrad may get you to some place in the company, but if with the grad degree, that will open up more doors for you. It will open up more skills. Engineering are growing and engineering is evolving. And if you don't continue in the education, very soon things will be very, very, very new to you. So this is a way to boost your career. So in School of Engineering, the graduate program will help you to build your career and do something that meets three things. Something you love, which is engineering you already decided, something you're good at. So through our courses, internships, you're going to see what are your skills and something that the companies and industry need from you. Will get you to work close with industry, get familiar with the job market, and build skills in the resume that open doors for you. So that's my overview, and I'd be happy to take questions or comments and help with anything you want.
Thank you, Professor Weil. At this time, there aren't any questions. So I think you kind of outlined it very clearly of some of the benefits of our engineering program, especially the personalized instruction from faculty like yourself and everyone else on the team. So I think that kind of wraps it up for today. So again, thank you for sharing the information. And if any questions do come up, you can always contact us at admissions@gvsu.edu, and we can answer your question or forward it along to the School of Engineering, and they'll be happy to help. So thank you for joining us today, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day or evening.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.